creating explosions using Diet Coke and Mentos. The first one we're going to be doing is a volcano.
All right.
Nice. Diet Coke, Mentos, Volcano.
I'm scared for this. Because... Oh my god!
Because... Oh my god!
Wait, I'm gonna get a close-up for the viewers. This is for the viewers.
Alright, lock it.
Oh! You ready? I need you to keep recording the rocket.
Oh yeah,
You gotta back up though, because the rocket's just gonna fly up in the air.
All right, lock it.
Oh! You alright?
Bro, you should have thrown that at me.
I didn't throw it at you. I bounced it off the ground. Was it
Oh,
cool?
shit.
Did you get a cool video? Was the video cool?
I hope so.
Me too.
It better be cool.
I bet it's awesome. Ready?
Yeah.
Ah. He's too fast.
Oh no. All right, you can find that short that we were talking about in both me and my dad's short page. Hopefully, Dad, are you gonna upload it? Are you?
Sure. Yeah.
All right, we can both upload the short. Yeah, so you're gonna find the short in both me and my dad's channel page. Hopefully, I'm gonna link his channel page in the description of this video.